FN2 in for a remap this morning. Some exhaust mods. Got an Injen induction kit on it, as you can see. It's got a Jaspeed manifold and yeah, an exhaust at the back. So hopefully this will make some power. We should find out. Let's run. Okay, so initial Ecutek base file is on there. Now it's time to start tuning. Richard's all in there with the laptop, getting busy. That fan's cold, very cold. That's how we check the AFRs with the sensor in the exhaust. We put a little pipe in there so that we can get it in proper. Now if this was a turbo car, obviously we'd have a boost sensor in here as well, but as it's NA we don't need to do that. Now this car's just had a HEL brake bypass valve delete to help with the clutch feel. So that's what I did on my car, and I really thought it made a massive improvement. So hopefully the owner thinks the same. But yeah, you can't really see much of that Injen kit, but it is there. It is a wrinkle red one. The end of play today, and we've made some gains right across the rev range. We made 35 brake horsepower in that mid-range, and we end on 215 brake horsepower and 160 foot-pound of torque. We've actually made, if you look at the wheel horsepower, we've actually made 23 brake horsepower or 23 wheel horsepower, which cannot be scoffed at. That'll feel loads better. Well done, Team Dynodaze.